Oh my God! What is happening? I hope it's not going to give me a disease. What? Come
No,
back?
as long as it doesn't bite
There's
you.
no food here for you. I want to give you a
Get him
pretzel.
back on your hand.
Oh, he's on me. He's on me. He loves me. He must be mute. Oh my God, he's coming close to my face though. Oh my goodness, he's right on my shoulder. This is so strange. It's and the dogs ran away. The dogs are unsure. There you
Get
go.
over that, Joe?
Oh
Yeah.
my God, you want to come back? We'll be together again. I should name you. Wow. Come on. Yay, I got a bird. I have a bird. Hi, birdie. Hi. Come back. Yay, look at the bird, guys. Oh, he fell down. Come on. All I got is chlorine water. I've never had a bird on me before. I've never had a wild bird on me before. Hi.
The dogs are like, what the heck?
Hi, birdie. Hello. Hi, I wish I had something for you. I have a bird.
You know what? I don't think that is a sparrow. What the hell is that?
Look, it loves me. Look at it loving me. Hi, birdie. Oh, he flew at me. I'm a little scared. Hi, birdie. Hi. It shit on me.
Oh.
I got shit on. I think
Oh.
that's good luck.
That's a great thing.
I have bird shit on me. You want to come back? I'm not even going to hold that against you. Come on, come back. Come on.
Kind of does look like a sparrow.
I don't know what sparrows look like, but this is sparrow shit.
Right here. Come over here.